Storm system from last night, a lot of wraparound clouds, and along with it, gusty northwesterly winds over 30 to 35 miles an hour this afternoon. This is a very typical northwesterly wind scenario where the clouds bank up against the terrain and create their own clouds and even a few showers, while south and eastern areas get the opposite effect, and along with that, partial sunshine and kind of a back and forth between clouds and sun. Once the heating goes away and we start to drop into the 40s tonight, the wind will lighten and skies will start to clear across the area, and that's going to set up a bright start to our holiday weekend. Saturday, temperatures will jump quickly. Again, we fall into the 40s to near 50 degrees tonight, only to rebound quickly tomorrow. By lunchtime tomorrow, we're in the 60s to near 70 with sunshine and a light wind. You'll notice the clouds slowly starting to drift in from the west, and they will start to thicken late in the day. Here comes our next chance of showers, and it looks like it is mostly a Saturday evening and overnight situation before pulling away early on Sunday morning. Any early clouds giving way to some sunshine. A front will move south out of Canada, and that could give us a quick passing shower on Sunday afternoon. But that is expected to be the warmest day of the holiday weekend, with highs in the 70s in most locations. Memorial Day looks to be a bright day. Temperatures upper 60s to mid 70s. And then we will have the next system starting to approach with a good chance of showers on Tuesday. So the Memorial Day weekend looking pretty good as it stands. Best chance of showers will be during the evening and overnight hours on Saturday night, and maybe a pop-up shower Sunday.